Hey guys, I recently made a pendulum wall mirror and I thought it would be a great idea to share it with you because it's just so easy to make. If you really like unique and interesting wall decor, this is perfect for you. Let me go ahead and jump right on into it and show you how to make some yourself. I'm going to show you this in real time so you can see exactly how easy and quick it is. Okay, first you'll need 2 picture frames like this. I purchased mine from the Dollar Tree, which is $1 each. You can't beat that. I removed all the contents of each frame. All I wanted was the frame. I see there are tabs on the back and we don't want that either, so I'm going to take my pliers and wiggle the tabs out. You want to make sure the tabs are straight. Next, I sprayed the front and the back of each frame, and I used this gold metallic spray paint. Afterwards, I let it dry on both sides for about 3 hours. Next, I placed a 12-inch round mirror on the table. I had these mirrors from an old project that I did. If you would like to see that project, I'll place a link to that at the top. I believe these mirrors came in a pack of 6 and it was a really good price. I'll find the link for you and put that in the description box below. Okay, now I'm going to place the painted frame on top of the mirror just the way I want to position it. Then I flipped the frame over and placed hot glue only on the areas where I knew it was going to touch the mirror. You don't want to use a lot of hot glue. You just want to use a thin strip of glue. Afterwards, I flipped the frame back over and placed it on top of the mirror. I let the glue dry for 10 minutes. Afterwards, I placed command strips on the back of the mirror. and then I placed it on the wall. And here's how it looks. Wasn't that easy? I truly hope you enjoyed this video and found the information to be helpful. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.